Good day, my future employer. By the way, I'm Lenita Crisologo, 32 years old, married. I have 3 kids, age of 13, 11, and 6. My educational background is high school graduate. My work experience is 2 countries. First is in Jordan. I work with 4 members of Jordanian with Sir, Madam, and 2 kids. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, washing dishes, and play with the kids. Sometimes I send them school and then I wait them to go back at home. And second is in Saudi Arabia with Madam, Sir, and 3 kids also. I do household chores again like cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing dishes, washing cars, teach them sometimes the kids, play with them, and then I take care of newborn baby. I dedicated, I willing to learn the task given. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty. I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as a helper with you. Thank you and God bless, Madam and Sir.